This is the latest version of Pycharm. It have everything you need. So to install it like the way I installed it, just see full of the video. Step 1. Go to your browser. In the search bar type Pycharm IDE download for Windows 10. Choose the first link. Download the community version. Start download. I already downloaded it, but you wait till the download is completed. After the download is completed, open it. Click Next. Here choose the first two options, then click Next. Now wait for a few minutes. Click Finish. Step 2. Download Python. To download it, in your browser type python.exe. Choose the first link from python.org. Here, download the latest version of Python. Start download. After the download is completed, open it. Click Install now. Close it. Step 3. Open Pycharm app that you downloaded and install in Step 1. Agree and continue. Click Don't Send. Now I have Pycharm, so let's create a new project. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, comment me in the comment section. And also if you are not subscribed my channel, do subscribe.